Alright, welcome back to a new video, everybody. Today we're gonna do arms and shoulders. My ankle feels a lot better today, but I still don't want to put too much weight on it. We're just gonna wait another day or two. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video, and we'll see you guys at the gym. Alright, we're at the gym now. We got 5 minutes before it opens, and we're gonna head inside and warm up on shoulder press.
Okay everyone, welcome to the start of the new video. Today we're going to be doing shoulders and arms. We're going to start off with overhead press warm-ups, just the bar for about 10 reps to get warmed up. I hope you guys are still enjoying the series. I know it seems kind of repetitive, but we're going to be working our way up in weight every single week. If not weight, we're going to add some reps. I'm just trying to get to my strength baseline, and then we're going to start cutting weight, and I'll keep you guys tuned in with that too. Now we got our second warm-up set. We're going to do 60 pounds for about 8 reps, and then we're going to get into a working set of overhead press. Okay, now we're getting into my first working set. We're going to do 3 sets of this, 5 reps, last set until failure. We're going to start with 70 pounds right now. Now we have 80 on the bar. We're going to go for 5 reps again before we jump into the top set of today. Now we have our top set here. I got 90 loaded on the bar. We're going to go for as many reps as possible. I think I was only able to crank out 6 reps, but we're going to keep working up every single week. For our second exercise, we're going to still attack the shoulders. We're going to do face pulls here. I'm warming up right now with 32.5 pounds, 12 reps, and then we're going to jump into working weight. First working set of face pulls, 55 pounds. I hit 11 reps, and then I dropped the weight to 47.5 pounds and hit 8 more reps. Most of my exercises today are going to consist of drop sets just to push the muscle to its failure. We're now jumping into dumbbell lateral raises. I'm starting off with the 17.5s. I was able to hit 15 reps, and then we're going to drop down to 12.5 and finish off the muscle. I was able to hit 12 reps. Now we're warming up the tricep with tricep pushdowns, 47.5. I hit 20 reps, and then we're going to jump into working sets. These are going to be drop sets as well. Now for the working sets, I'm starting off at 70 pounds. It was a little heavy. I was only able to hit 9, but then we dropped it to 55, hit 8 more. For my second set, I started at 65 pounds. I got 14 reps in, and then drop set again. We're moving on now to hammer curls. We're going to do these as drop sets too. 45-pound dumbbells and then the 35-pound dumbbells. At first I hit 15 reps and then I finished it off with 10 more reps after that. We got lying skull crushers now. I'm starting with the 50-pound easy bar. We're going to go for 18 reps, finish it off with some close grip presses, and then we're going to drop set to the 40-pound easy bar, 10 more skull crushers, and then finish it off with close grip press. For the close grip presses, I recently just started implementing that into my skull crushers. It just adds that extra burn into the triceps to completely finish off the muscle. And to finish off the workout, we're going to do some strict curls. 55-pound easy bar first, 10 reps, and then we're going to drop to the 45-pound one. Make sure your head and your back is against the wall the whole time. Makes it a lot harder. This is going to be the last exercise of today's workout. We hit biceps twice, triceps twice, and then we hit every delt of the shoulder. If you guys want to leave me some tips on the forum or different exercises, just let me know in the comments. I'm always willing to learn. I want to maximize my strength as much as I can. Alright, that's going to be it for today's arm and shoulder workout. The ankle's a little bit better, but I can still feel the pain in it. So I don't know if we're just going to have to skip legs overall this week, but hopefully on Thursday we'll be good for legs, and then Saturday for deadlifts. But we'll see what happens. We'll see you guys at home for breakfast. Alright guys, that's going to be it for today's video. Tomorrow if I wake up feeling good, I'm going to go hit legs if my ankle feels a lot better. If not, we'll be back on Thursday for legs. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, arm day. I took most of my sets to failure, drop sets, just because it's arms, you know. My arms recovered pretty fast, so I was just trying to push it to failure. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment, leave any feedback down in the comments, and we'll see you guys in the next one.